For your PPC ads to flourish, learning to write excellent ad copy is essential. But why does it matter? If your ad is the first impression someone has of your brand, the copy is the greeting. The beauty of writing it is that it can hold so much in so little. Your copy communicates the tone of voice, the solution to pain points, and the urgency for action. In this video, I'll give you some proven tips you can use to write amazing PPC ads that will bring higher click-through rates, quality scores, and conversion rates. Let's go. Include keywords in your ad copy. Keywords matter because they trigger your ads when used for a search query. Who wants to miss out on that? No one. Using keywords strategically in your ads also improves your ad relevance because you indicate to users and Google that your ad is relevant to the user's search. Effective as they may be, there are still a few things to consider to properly leverage keywords in your ads. Now let's walk through a few. Don't force them in. Avoid squeezing a word in where it doesn't belong. Like a regular conversation, language has to flow to get a reader to connect with it. Get creative. Feel free to be creative and brainstorm about all the different ways that someone can search for your product. Remove low search volume keywords. Monitoring campaigns leads to success, and you'll see this reflect on your keyword performance. Trim the fat when someone is underperforming and try a new word in its place. Stand out from competition. Every day, millions of advertisers use Google Ads to connect with users searching for products and services. It's impossible to deny that marketing platforms are crowded. Whichever industry or market you choose, there will be competition. It is what it is, and what's important is learning how to go around it. You can ask yourself, what are the businesses around you doing? What are they offering to your audience? How can you stand out? The products, services, and voices that get heard have something unique to offer. Use exclamation. You want your ad copy to reel readers in and trigger their positive emotions. Where others might write dull, functional copy, you can add more of a positive connotation to the information that you provide. Take caution in which part of your ad you want to highlight with the exclamation symbol. Our best recommendation is to use it in the description line or your call to action to motivate an action. Change it up. If you want a new idea, keep writing. The next set of copies will probably be a little bit more engaging and attention-getting. At the end of the day, copy is easy to write. Excellent writing, though, requires a little bit more effort. Slight differences, unusual verbs, and creativity can have an impact on your conversion rate. Test a few of these copies against each other and assign the budgets to each version of the ad. Find out which of these work best for your industry and your market. Watch your tone. The tone of voice describes how your brand communicates with the audience and thus influences how people perceive your messaging. In other words, it describes how we want to communicate to our audience rather than what. Knowing your audience will define various elements of your copy, such as tone of voice and vocabulary. What industry are your ads targeting? If you're writing to teams, you can keep it casual. If you're writing to lawyers, though, you'll want to maintain a professional tone. Tone of voice can have a major impact on your relationship with your audience, your brand identity, and even your overall performance. It creates a connection with your audience that encourages dialogue. It builds trust with your audience, and it might increase your company's revenue. Takeaways. Ad copywriting is a fusion of creative talent and solid copywriting. Google's algorithm has heavily influenced the potential of an ad copy. Still, if you're unable to write engaging and creative copy that generates an emotional response, you're going to struggle to reach your conversion goals. That being said, you should now have a better idea about how to write a good ad copy. Furthermore, you should now be able to implement your own Google Ads strategy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post videos every week, so make sure to click the notification bell to stay tuned about the latest in the digital marketing industry. See you at the next one.